Hey, y'all. Hey, hope all is well with you. I am LesAnn. You can call me LesAnn and I will answer because it's still my name. How you been? How you doing? Hope all is well with you and you've had a great week. Have I? I don't know. It's been an interesting week. Let's just say that. Anyway, y'all. So I am here because I did a thing. So I am here today. I feel like you're a little foggy. Hold on. Do you feel better? Y'all look better. Anyway, so I did a thing. Now I don't do this too often because I had to be in the mood, but I was on the other side of town the other day. And when I was on the other side of town, there is a huge donation, Goodwill donation place. And I'm like, maybe I'll go check it out. Maybe I don't know what I'm going for. Let me go. You know. So it's like $1.89 per pound. And my experience, because I hadn't been in I don't know how many years, like actually went in to search and look for something. Usually I, I go to the regular Goodwill, but I usually don't go to like the donation center or whatever they're called. Anyway, because you got to be in a mood to search. So I went, um, not having a plan in place, but then as I started walking around, I kind of got through figuring out what I wanted or what I think I wanted. One, yes, I was looking for fabrics or drapes or something like that because I can use it as fabric. And then there's a couple books that I seen that I got. Those were fine. But then what started popping up, I'm show you. I don't know if it's pop up or found me. I don't know. What happened was these jeans kind of dropped in my little rolling trash can because and it had faulty wheels. That was driving me nuts. But anyway, so I got these. Um, I had some plans for them, but I'm gonna probably put a hold on them until I see my grandkids because I think a couple of these pairs in here may fit them, and I might as well let them try them on before I demolish them. Yes, I have plans of demolishing them, and I'll show you. Like it's like two or three pair that I already know that it's not their size and they can't do nothing with. But I seen this and I am sure somebody would be like, why would you get that? I don't know what world did, and it still had a tag on it. I don't know what world Shein was thinking. Who's gonna be able to wear this? But when I seen it, the first thing I thought of, oh, I can actually take this and add fabric on the bottom, and I can have me a full maxi skirt. I was just concerned whether or not I can actually fit the distance. I can. I will have to do a little makeshift situation though. What I am actually going to do. Ooh, I'm glad I'm looking at this. So I'll probably need another 1/2 inch, and that's probably about it. But this is overlapped a tremendous amount. So what I'm going to actually do is I'm probably going to actually take it apart right here and shift it over, tack it back down. I'm going to shift it up. Well, I may not shift it over because it's the buttons right here. The buttons can't be moved. If not that, I'm not stressed about it because this portion is actually really a good width. there's a side zipper. So it takes a minute to get in it, but I'm not concerned with that because I'm actually going to take the zipper out and make a longer zipper in it once I actually decide on the fabric I want to use. I don't know if I'm going to make it where it's a denim skirt, but most likely not. I think I'm going to pick one of my nice flowy fabrics and use it. But I thought it was just the cutest thing. This I already have mental plans for. I can't shorten the distance of it because of there's a pocket right here. Now, if I take the pocket off, I don't want to do all that work. I'm just gonna. I may actually extend a little bit of a piece, run a piece down the back side, literally a half an inch. Half an inch will make me more comfortable. It doesn't mean it doesn't fit. It just would make me more comfortable. So half an inch to an inch piece of fabric that I'll run on the side seam, which is fine because it's on the side. And if somebody's looking that hard, they looking too hard. But that's probably what I'm going to do is just run a piece of denim down the side because I'm going to take the zipper out because I don't want to be struggling to get in it. I want to be able to comfortably pull it up, zip it up. But yeah, this was a good find to me. Like I said, I got several pairs of jeans. All of this, plus a couple other things that I did get, it was $20. At first, I was going to be mad about it. Then, because there's one other pair of jeans that is still in the wash. I managed to miss those. So, if I counted nothing else but these jeans, basically I paid $1.50, roughly $1.50 per jean. Not counting my other stuff that I got. About $1.50. So that was actually a great deal regardless. And I didn't pick up nothing that had holes in it. None of these have holes in it. They actually look really, really decent. Like I said, I'm going to let my grandkids double check and see if there's anything they can wear in here first. But I got the black ones. We got some lights, a couple light pairs. Some of them do have some stretch in it. Some of them don't. These I got because I can wear these myself. I'm probably going to make them into more of capris. I haven't tried them on. I know they're too big for me, so I had to take them in some. But they still would be a great pair of pants to kind of throw on when I need to do errands. And like I said, I tried to make sure that whatever I picked up didn't have holes in it. That I didn't really have to do too much to. And that way, that if I wanted to tear them up, I could tear them up easily. Then we have these. These I really did like until there's one thing I don't like about them. These are some nice jeans. The only thing I didn't like, somebody did alter it. And it's how they altered it. I guess when you think about it, it doesn't really matter as long as you can get into the jeans, but I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to alter it or change it. I was planning to use these as fabrics anyway. This one, this is the other pair I really liked. These were a nice pair. I'm hoping that one of my grand girls can wear these. I think the shorter one. These are so cute and they're a good weight, but I'm just not sure because I don't know their height anymore. I don't know their height. But these are a nice weight and everything. If not, I'm not stressed about it. These are still some good jeans. Okay? Good jeans. If I don't turn around and change my mind and sell them. Then we have these lightweight jeans. These are all, I've already washed them, every one of them. And the other find I found, I'm still trying to figure out what I want to do. But, I kind of have an idea already. I'm thinking this will fit my oldest grandchild. She's tall. She's just tall. She's legs for days. But I'm thinking of making her a slip-on dress this was I thought it was cute. Now, it's cute enough that I wouldn't mind taking this concept, and it's a crown ivy. I've never heard it before. Taking the same concept, drafting out the pattern, because it's really simple. It's not a complicated, but it's really cute. I think if I can draft it, if Lord knows I can draft it out and make one for my other grand girl, because I do have some denim, and make her a different version, because they don't mind having something similar, not actually the same fabric. And Lord knows I got plenty of fabric to do something, but do a couple simple dresses, making the denim at the top and a different fabric at the bottom. I think that would really look like amazing, because this is really nice. I like it for me, but it's a small. I can't do nothing with a small. But this is my Goodwill haul. I did find some fabric. It's some blue taffeta. I do have a project in mind for it, and that's the only reason why I got it, because it was like 4, maybe 5 yards. And that's it. If y'all have any questions about anything I've shown y'all here, drop your comments below. Drop your thoughts. What do you think? Is it a good idea to sit up there and take these 2 items? You know, because we can't really talk about this yet. Because until the baby's tried on, I ain't gonna do nothing with it. But would you ever do that? Would you ever go to the Goodwill? I don't even know what it's called. That particular center, the donation center, the last stop. I went in to look for. I didn't have a plan until I made it probably halfway through the store. Is when I started saying, "Ooh, this, ooh, this, ooh, this." I did find a tie, but I don't see it. I don't see it anywhere. It was a pretty tie. That I must have left it in the thing or something, but I haven't seen it. Tie for my husband. I really do like creativity, and I wouldn't mind doing some things like similar to Jen style. I don't know. I'll put her name across the bottom. She has a YouTube channel where she restyles. She does a lot of jean work, and she does a lot of ties. I wouldn't mind doing some of those things, but right now, I don't know, because I really shouldn't have bought these jeans, but couldn't pass up a good deal. Couldn't pass up a good deal. But anyway, yeah, I appreciate y'all watching. If you enjoyed what I talked about today, the jean saga, then make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And you will continually see my shenanigans. But the one shenanigan I'm about to do, I'm about to take me a nap. I'll see y'all later.